Hak arpenyo terik Risau arja arpulai ke office u Chief Electoral Officer jangka Jela Meghalaya, ringkat bat ke office u District Election Officer jangka East Khasi Hills, kila pelat bat ya ke Special Summary Revision jangka Thop Kerteng ki Shnong ke Jela ya kepala penlong hak Conference Hall jangka Deputy Commissioner jangka East Khasi Hills District. Hakani kesengi u Dr. BDR Tiwari u CEO ulalong u kongsan jangka ni program hakajinge dan lang ringkat ke kong RM Kurba ke Deputy Commissioner uba Barnari Maulong Additional CEO uba Alexander S Mukim Joint CEO uba Ronnie Walang EAC nolor kinong mikmat nagi Seng Saiñ-Hima beper jangka Jela Meghalaya. Utiwari uloong baga jingi simbenta jangki Seng Saiñ-Hima beper kelong kebadon kamban na kebenta ke electoral roll kenang bakan long kebalat luoj kebayar bat keba kentop lang ya baro hakaba anam dan uweru unong Shnong ubala biang kikot kisla ban lat na kajing tap vote. Shushu uloong ru baga jingi simbenta jangki Dorbar Shnong kalong kebadon kam ban penlong pat kalat pensapriang na kebenta ke Special Summary Revision.
And especially I am really very much deeply touched with the participation of respected political party members in this kind of launching program. So I would like to congratulate the team of East Khasi Hill led by Madam Rosette for this very unique initiative, because the political parties are having very crucial role in the electoral process. So during the special summary revision, their active participation, basically, they have to appoint booth level agents who will work in joining hand with the booth level officers, BLOs. So they are working as a team at the grassroots level to make our electoral roll very comprehensive, error-free and very much inclusive. So no voter to be left behind, and all eligible people must be registered in the voter list, and if this voter list to be error-free, correct, and if the person has changed and wherever they are residing, they are the voter, they can change their address in the end, they can make themselves voter if they are now resident of the new constituency. So their proactive step to make this process very inclusive and error-free. So really it will be very welcoming initiative, and through the DC and the respected members of political parties and media, even though from other officials, we would like to convey our sincere thanks to all the Dorbar Shnongs and community-based organization for this very unique initiative which is being taken through.
Nakaliang jangka kong RM Kurba kala banjor halor ke jingdon kam jangka Special Summary Revision namar kalong ka way nakilat banyo ya ke electoral roll ka baskem kala kenturu ikipat ba ban wan sekmat ban shem bentaha ke electoral roll lani ban penrung kerteng yalade banyo tap vote.
During that, we are going to have a very good exercise starting from today, which is the summary revision. We also have with us the media personals present here. Thank you for coming here to be a part of this very important day in respect of the essence of democracy, which lies in the integrity of the electoral roll. Today, as I stand here, I emphasize the crucial role of the summary revision by ensuring that all of us carry out this duty sincerely, because it is here that we have to ensure that all the eligible young people who are going to be 18 years by the 1st of January 2024 are enrolled. The electoral process would not be possible without the electoral roll itself. It is the cornerstone of the democratic system, and as they determine who has the right to vote. However, over the time, these electoral rolls become outdated, as you all know, due to the facts of migration, deaths, and other changes in the voters' identity or eligibility. this is why we need to go about this exercise. Summary revision in itself is a systematic and periodic update of the electoral roll to reflect the current democratic landscape. It serves as a vital mechanism for purifying the rolls. It is also a commitment to the country, to its people, to ensure that the principles of democracy, by ensuring transparency and fairness to all. So with this, I request all the officers in the field, all the BLOs out there, as well as our PROs, up to the both the village level, the polling station, and up to the state level. We are all in this together, and I wish each one of you all the best.
Votes for that because we belong to the same place. So early today morning, both English, Khasi and Hindi, it was announced that the summary revision will be taking place from today onwards. So with this, I thank all of you. Thank you.
Andy, your wife has been sitting there. She has been ready for a while now. Go for the test.
I'm already watching the test, Mom.
Son, it is important to take this test at the earliest.
Mom, why do we need to rush? What will happen even if we're late to take the test?
Look, son. You see, that is why it is important to reach on time. Go.
Within the first 3 months of pregnancy, it is important for the mother to get tested for HIV in order to prevent the baby from getting infected with HIV, so that the mother and the baby can live a healthy and long life.
Earlier the checkup.
Healthy life confirmed.
Get yourself tested for HIV during your first pregnancy checkup.